Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Galaxy Fit 3 and we will answer some of the questions about the Galaxy Fit 3, especially for the sports function. So if you want to know the list of sports function available for the Galaxy Fit 3 as well as other options for the fitness function, this video review is for you. So if you have any questions regarding the fitness function, the multi-mode sports of the Galaxy Fit 3, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Alright, let's start and check on the different sports that is available here in the Galaxy Fit 3. To access the sports, you can swipe on the tiles and we have here the different sports function. You can also access it here from the health section. Just go to the exercise workout, tap on it, and we have the different sports here. You can add, and we have here the sports arranged in alphabetical order from A to Y. So let's have it. Let's check it one by one. So if you are interested to see if your favorite sports is available here, watch this video. We are going to check on the different sports. We have here from A, aerobics. I'm going to make it slow so you can really check if your favorite sports is here. So we have the bowling, boxing, canoeing, cricket, crunches, dancing, golf. We also have here hockey, even hula hooping is available here. Ice dancing, ice skating, jump rope. What else? We have leg curls, leg presses, martial arts. We even have martial arts here. Planking, push-ups, rafting, rock climbing, rowing, rugby, sailing, scuba diving, sit-ups, skaters, skiing. I guess this sports is from A to Y. Soccer, softball, squash, squats, table tennis. Tennis, we have volleyball, water skiing here, windsurfing, and yoga. Go back to the first sports. We have the categories here. So general, aerobic, free weight, weight machine, wilderness, water sports, winter sports, and ball sports. For balls, as you can see here, we do have the different sports that is using a ball. We have our favorite here, the baseball and beach volleyball. Nice list of sports function here. On the tile section, you can edit your favorite sports here. We have here walking, running, and biking. If you want to change this, just long press, edit, and remove. You can add your own. Let's say if you like the treadmill, you can add one. And let's pick one. Open water swimming. Then go back. And we have it here. The treadmill, running, open water swimming. And if you want to other sports, you can also check it here. We have some settings here. The target, workout screen. So we have here, you can select duration, distance, calories and average pace, and speed. You can pick if you want to show it on the screen. Screen always on, you can also set it while working out. In the support app, So we have here at least 2 support apps for the wearable. We have the Galaxy wearable for the settings of your smartwatch or device fitness tracker, and we have the Samsung Health to record all your activity. In the Galaxy wearable, if you want to activate the automatic sports monitoring or sports recognition, you can go to the band settings and select Samsung Health. We have here activities to detect. So it has support for auto detect workouts for walking, running, elliptical trainer, rowing machine, pool swimming, and dynamic workouts. You can also disable it if you don't like the automatic detection of sports. For the Samsung Health here, you can check the recorded activity. For example, the steps, as you can see here, you can see it here. You can also edit the exercises. We have here our favorites: walking, running, and hiking. If you want some tutorial here, you can also pick in the fitness category of the Samsung Health. So it is a pretty good device with a lot of support for your fitness, including Samsung Health, and for the settings we have the Galaxy wearable. So that's it for our Galaxy Fit 3 sports function or multi-mode sports. Aside from that, we also have here the automatic activity tracking, checking the steps, the time, and the calories. For the sports, it depends on the sports function. Okay, so it can track the pace here, speed, calories, duration, distance. It's available here on the smart device or on your Galaxy Fit 3, and for more details you can synchronize it with your Samsung Health and see the activity record here. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Bye!